The prospects for disabled farm animals used to be grim, but not anymore. Crispy Bacon, that's this 1-month-old piglet's name, was born without the use of his hind legs. Usually, the only option would have been to have him put down, but Chris's owner thought outside the box, and now the piglet's an internet sensation. The YouTube video shows Chris P, then 10 days old, walking on wheels. He's since outgrown that wheelchair and a second one, but he's growing into his new, more permanent model. The owner's now drawn up plans for I Love Crispy Bacon t-shirts.